Hello everyone, how are you? How you all are doing? I hope everything is fine and everything is working out wonderfully for you. I hope that you are safe and healthy. Welcome to my channel. You're listening to Light Channelings. So today I don't have any specific love messages or your counterparts current situation or any details about that. Today I have a even more important message that is affecting a lot more twins and those who have a great divine purpose in their life that involves helping and healing other people in general. Okay, so what's happening is that right now you might be experiencing a lot of psychic attacks that are intended to stop you from doing what you're doing, that which is working. Now I know you may not understand what I just said. I mean that something that you're working on is actually working for you. That means if you've planted seeds for some kind of project, if you've set your intention that you are going to act on an idea or you're going to do something about about a goal that you had in the past, and now you're feeling again that you will be going for it, for some reason you won't be able to act on it. Okay, you would want to but you won't be able to, and that's because you are experiencing psychic attacks, and this is very important for people to know and be aware of so that you can fight it and protect yourself against it. Okay, how will you do that? The only thing that is going to help you cope up with this and deal with this is mindfulness. You have to be very aware of what's happening, why you're acting the way you're acting, why you're feeling so irritated, so annoyed at everything, why all those bad past memories are coming up which are making you feel revengeful and resentful for those who have wronged you in some way, shape, or form. You thought that you've dealt with it in a positive and healthy manner, but again it's coming up, and you don't understand why it's all happening to you. It's all happening to make you feel so frustrated and irritated that you are left behind, or you get left behind with nothing. Do you get it now? Do you get it? Because what's happening is that twins are moving closer to their reunions, and they are very close. Okay, most of the twin flames who are first viewers and second viewers are very, very close to their reunions, and because they are closer, they are leaving testimonies for those um, who are in the earlier stages of their journey. Are you getting my point? So a lot of changes are happening, and that's why those who are very close to their unions and in achieving their goals and fulfilling their divine life purposes, which are very important part of their life, they are experiencing these kind of attacks. Now for example, I would say, if you sit in meditation, you do meditation for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and then again all sorts of thoughts which annoy you, all sort of things start coming in your mind which didn't used to happen in the past when you used to sit and meditate. Okay, this is something that you need to be aware of. So all these things that bring up anger within you, that bring up resentment within you, will start to come up at the exact same time when you sit to meditate. You know why? Because if you've been practicing all those things that I talk about in my audios since I started my channel, and how I suggested everyone to do their inner work, those things would have started working for you. Okay, and that's why these things are happening, so that you don't do what you're supposed to do. Are you getting my point? That means if you'll feel irritated, if you'll feel annoyed, you'll be very quick in jumping to a conclusion that it isn't working for you. Okay? And that's why you're feeling annoyed, and that's why you're feeling irritated. That's why things are falling apart for you. You will start to think that whatever you were doing is not working. That's why you're feeling this way. But that's not true. That's not true. The reason you're feeling that way is because of certain interferences that are affecting you to make you feel that way. It isn't the meditation. Yes, at times meditation do brings up the repressed emotions that you have within you, so that you can deal with it in a more proper manner, or that you become more aware that yes, you still have a lot of things to deal with and a work to do, and more work to do actually. But there is one more thing, because it isn't just about the meditation, it is about a lot of things. You have a goal, you want to work on it, but then the moment you think of getting up and doing some sort of work related to that, you feel like you are just not able to move. You feel a weird sense of not wanting to do it, or you procrastinate day after day, day after day, hour by hour, hour by hour. You just keep on finding other things that make you waste your time, or do something that is just a regular thing and not what you're supposed to do actually. This is just not about your twin flame journey. This is about a lot of other things that you're supposed to do. You getting my point? Certain things will be happening to trigger something within you, and it's most likely to bring you in lower vibrations, that is anger, resentment, hate, jealousy, or envy. For some reason, if you've started some sort of spiritual practice or profession, or you're thinking of starting a spiritual business, or just some kind of business in general, or you want to start your channel, you want to write your content, you want to uh, make a course, you want to start writing a blog, anything like that, just anything. I'm just giving you few examples here. You know what you want to do in a more specific manner. You won't be able to do it for some reason, no matter how much you try to. It will, your laptop will be just in front of you, and you won't be able to get up and pick it up and start doing the work. If you are a sportsman, let's say, and you want to just practice something, or you want to polish your skills, you won't be get up and put your shoes on and go outside. You will feel so lazy and so irritated and annoyed that you would think that just leave all this, I don't want to do anything, and you will be just laying on your bed doing nothing and feeling even more frustrated and irritated. Do you get my point? The only thing that will help you deal with this is that you have to understand how it's affecting you, and at what point it's affecting you, and what are the things that are getting affected the most in your life by all these things, by whatever is happening right now. The main things are going to be your goals that you are very close to achieving, that you are very close to acting upon, that you were very close to deciding and concluding and making a layout for that. Obviously, yes, your twin flame journey, you'll experience unexpected challenges or obstacles coming around from all sorts of corners and places. people hating on you for no reason, and you will get affected by it. Your own friends and family will do things that will um, feel like, what the hell is happening with you right now? And the worst part of it, that you'll think actually, is that what should I actually do to make my life normal? That's what you'll think. Because you if you are listening to me for quite some time, and you are motivated to do the work, you would be doing the work. Okay, and then when all these things will start happening with you, you'll start to feel like, what's the purpose of doing all this? What's the point of putting so much of effort and energy and working so hard so that you can live a peaceful life? If you listen very carefully, and if you listen very carefully, you'll understand that it's all intended to make you so confused and frustrated that you stop doing everything that is working for you. Underline this statement and be very aware of this, very, very aware of this. Because if it's not happening now, it will be happening once you come closer towards your goals and your union. Mark my words on this. And the for sure sign to confirm this for you is that first you will experience these weird emotions resurfacing from just nowhere, out of the blue, and then you are just left with no energy and motivation to do any of your work. And at the same time, you will see spiders all around and everywhere. Okay, for example, if you want to get up and um, work on your craft, and you are just then not able to get up, you're feeling so sad out of the blue, you're feeling so annoyed out of the blue, you're just getting reminded of all sorts of negative things that has happened, the people that rejected you for presenting your craft, or people that judged you for um, not doing so good in their perception, these sort of things. And then you are just sitting there and doing nothing, and that exact same time you will see a spider passing by you, and this will be repetitive. Okay, this will be repetitive. If this is happening for you, you will understand what I'm talking about here. Now there can be other signs of this, like there can be a symbol that you associate with negativity. Okay, this can be very specific, this is going to be very specific for you, and every time you think of that, or it comes across to you or in front of you, you know that something is happening, something that is not good, something is off. And that's the sign that you need to look for, to understand that you are just getting attacked, and there is nothing wrong with what you've been doing, or what you are doing, or what you want to do. There is nothing wrong with that. What's wrong is something that is affecting you in a negative way, It can be that someone is purposely sending this negative energy towards you, and here I'm not going to talk about who is doing that, because that's not being shown to me. It's just shown that people are getting affected by these kind of energies right now, who have a very important purpose and a role to play in making a difference out in the world. Okay, now if you're a painter, if you're a singer, if you're a dancer, if you're a doctor, if you are a medical practitioner, if you are just a cook, not just a cook, I mean if you are a cook, if you want to be a chef, if you I mean whatever you want to do, whatever you want to become, if you want to become a writer, if you want to start a blog, if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to be a social media influencer, if you want to be Instagram influencer, or whatever you want to be, whatever your purpose is, just go ahead and fight with these thoughts and feelings and emotions that are intended to stop you from doing what you're supposed to do. Are you getting my point? And yes, these energies, these things, these attacks, whatever it is also affecting your twin flame connection and your soulmate connection with your person at this time. So be aware of that as well. Understand what's happening. Be very mindful and be very vigilant. Don't let it affect you, because it will if you are not aware of it. If you feel, you will feel like you're getting weaker. That's the thing. That's why I am channeling and relaying this message here. You will feel like you don't have the power to change whatever the situation is that is bothering you. You will feel like it. You will think like that, and that is something that you have to fight. And it's not going to be easy. I'm telling you that. You have to fight it. Take a break. Okay, don't beat yourself up. Take a break. Don't meditate for 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. There is no rule like you have to just necessarily meditate every single day. If you're feeling like you're getting affected, just take a break, take a step back, and just observe what's happening. If you find yourself relating to what I'm just talking about here, then the first thing that you need to do is clear your mind space and tell yourself that okay, so this is what's happening, and now I have to deal with this in a very calm and composed manner. I have to make sure that I don't react. I have to make sure that I don't make hasty decisions. I have to make sure that I'm listening and heeding to all the divine guidance and signs that I'm receiving from my guides, and I'm not making any mistake that I'll have to pay for a very long period of time. Okay? Yes, you have to practice mindfulness. It is needed. You cannot just escape it, you cannot avoid it. It is needed, and it is needed. Okay? You will achieve what you're supposed to achieve, but you have to face and go through these changes before you can actually get your feet into it. Okay, so just be vigilant. That was the message. What is happening to me today? That's the message. Be very vigilant, be very mindful, be very alert. and observe everything that is happening around you, and take a step back for now. And once you get that clarity, then start to work upon your goals, because then you will be able to move through these distractions, and then these things will not be able to affect you as much as it is happening right now, or will happen when you will not be aware of it. So just make sure that you are not just getting carried away with whatever negativity you're feeling or experiencing right now. Okay, that's the message. Just keeping it short and sweet. You guys are smart enough to understand and work through everything that comes your way. Okay, with that, if you're interested in taking any of my services, please check the description box below. All the details are given below there. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.